Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Tuesday, July 22nd. Following the cancellation of Celebrity Beyond on Sunday, the vessel left Port Miami on Monday morning, bound for the Shipyard. Now, the vessel arrived at Grand Bahama Shipyard on Monday evening, escorted by 2 tugs on the way in. The vessel was taken out of service following propulsion issues on its last cruise, forcing the cancellation of the cruise that was supposed to be this week. At the time of broadcast, the ship is scheduled to undergo repairs and return to service this weekend. And Princess Cruises is revamping its Premier and Plus packages, adding new perks and raising prices. Starting today, bookings for 2026 and beyond will include more dining and more shore excursion credits, up to $300 for longer sailings. Now, the cruise line says the Premier package will now cost $100 per person per day. That's up from $90. And the Plus package rises to $65 per person per day, previously $60. Princess says the updates reflect guest feedback and offer better value on board. And Holland America Line is bringing back its popular behind-the-scenes ship tours, giving guests rare access to areas normally off-limits. Yeah, the tour includes stops at the navigational bridge, engine control room, laundry, kitchens, along with chances to meet senior officers and crew. Tours are now available on select ships and will roll out fleet-wide by the end of this month. They're priced at $179 per person and can be booked once on board at guest services on a first-come, first-served basis. And cruise line stocks were mixed on Monday. Carnival Corporation up 1%, 29.79. Royal Caribbean down 1%, 346.47. Norwegian down 2%, 23.19. And Viking down 1%, 57.95. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Tuesday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.